Hey there, fellow investors. Ready for some exciting news about the stock market? Well, buckle up because we've got a fascinating indicator to discuss today that has been a whopping 86% accurate since 1984. That's right, 86%. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for reliable signals, and this one is pointing to a big move in the second half of 2024. Let's dive in. First off, let's take a look at how the S&P 500 has performed so far this year. The index, which is often seen as a barometer for the overall US stock market, delivered double-digit returns in the first half of 2024, advancing 14.5%. Now, if history is any guide, this kind of momentum signals more upside in the remaining months of the year. And who doesn't love more upside, right? Initially, the market was driven by hopes of rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. Investors started the year thinking we'd see 6 rate cuts. Yep, 6. But thanks to sticky inflation, those hopes were reset. And now the expectation is for just 2 cuts later this year. It's like expecting a 6-course meal and getting a 2-course dinner. But hey, it's still dinner and it's still good. So what does this mean for you and your investment strategy? The stock market has consistently performed well over long periods. Sure, there have been bumps along the way, 14 market corrections and 5 bear markets in the last 3 decades to be exact. But guess what? The S&P 500 still returned a massive 2,060% during that period, which translates to an impressive 10.7% annually. That's like turning $1,000 into over $20,000. The key takeaway here is patience. Patient investors who buy and hold good stocks or an S&P 500 index fund at reasonable prices will likely be well rewarded over time. It's like planting a tree. You don't get shade the day you plant it, but give it time, and you'll have a nice shady spot to relax in. So if you're looking to capitalize on the potential upside in the market, consider purchasing individual stocks, especially those that fall into the category of AI enablers, or simply go for an S&P 500 index fund. Just remember, past performance is never a guarantee of future results, but history can give us some pretty good clues. Alright folks, that's it for today's update. If you found this info helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more stock market insights. Stay patient, stay informed, and let's ride this wave together. Catch you in the next video. Happy investing.